Hello, I'm Susan Castriota, and today I'm going to do my cranberry orange sauce. Actually, it's kind of a cranberry gel, which is ideal for the Thanksgiving dinner or anytime, actually, because cranberries are so good for you. This is so easy to make because I'm going to make it in the microwave using my Cuchina Safe glass lids. So here's the cranberry orange sauce, and I'm going to show you how to make it. My recipe is actually posted right on the Amazon Live, so you'll be able to get my recipe, or you can get my recipes from cuchinasafe.com. So this is so simple, it's really good, and all you need are basically 3 ingredients. You need the cranberries, you need orange juice, some sugar, a little bit of orange rind, and if you really want to make it a little flavorful, a little fun, you can add a little Grand Marnier, but I'm not going to do that today. So you take 1 bag, and these are 12 ounce of fresh cranberries. Now, cranberries are in season right now because of the holidays, but what I do, I buy extra cranberries and I put them in the freezer because they're great frozen, and then I can make my cranberry orange sauce anytime I want. So you're going to take 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, and I like to use, I'm using all glass because I invented the Cuchina Safe lid, which is on Amazon, and this is what I'm going to use to steam cook the cranberries to make the nice cranberry orange sauce. So I'm putting it in a large 2-quart glass bowl. I like to use these mixing bowls, and you have to have a really tall bowl or else you're going to have cranberry sauce overflowing in your microwave, even though we're using the Cuchina Safe lid to cover. So this is 12 ounces of cranberries, and you're going to have 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of orange juice, and then I have about a teaspoon of orange rind. And that's pretty simple. You just, scrape it from the orange. All right, now I'm going to stir this up. And I'm telling you, this is so easy, but it's so good. It's sweet. It's a nice complement to your turkey and your stuffing. All right, so this is going to be stirred up. Now, I'm going to cover this with my Cuchina Safe Vented glass lid, and I'm going to tell you about those. They're on Amazon. As you can see, if you scroll down, I sell them as a single 8-inch. This is the 9-inch. I sell them in a set of 8 and 9-inch. These are bowl covers. So I'm going to cover my nice big bowl. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Now, I just got a new microwave. I've had a microwave that was 1100 watt, and all of my over 80 recipes are based on that 1100 watt microwave. But now I got a new 1000 watt microwave, and guess what? It's more efficient than my other one. So I've had to kind of adjust my recipes a little bit, and now I have to watch this new microwave just to make sure, I'm not overcooking, because it's definitely more efficient. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the microwave for 5 minutes. 5 minutes on high, and I'm just going to take a look just, at that 4.5 minute mark, just to make sure I don't have cranberry all over the place. But that's the nice thing about the Cuchina Safe lid. It is a cover and it's a steamer too. So let's do 5 minutes. And let's get started on that. In the meantime, I'm going to show you my 8-inch lid. Now the 9-inch lid I just put on top of the cranberries. This is the 8-inch lid. Now this one sells on Amazon. This is a great under $20 gift, by the way, for the holidays. This is an 8-inch Cuchina Safe lid. Comes in a package like this, and it's got concentric rings. These are patented. I designed these because I did not like plastics in the microwave. I don't like them touching my food. I don't like the heated toxins that can go onto your food when they're being heated in the microwave. So I designed these glass lids just to replace plastics in the microwave. There's 3 holes right here. Those are the vent holes. So these are steamers. So when you steam your food, it's more efficient. You maintain the vitamins and the nutrients that you really want in your foods because you cook less time and you use less water when you're doing vegetables. So this is the 8-inch lid. They fit on many size bowls, mugs, and even pots and pans. You can use these to put on top of a pot on the stove top so you don't boil over because of the vents. You will keep your liquid inside your pot or your pan. So these are the Cuchina Safe lids that are on Amazon. They come in the 8-inch as a single, or they come in the 8 and a 9-inch set. So in the meantime, while my cranberry sauce is cooking, I'm going to show you what I just made, because this I have a recipe on my website, cuchinasafe.com. If you go into recipes, I actually have a recipe book with probably 86 recipes that are all I designed or I put together using the Cuchina Safe products. Now, I love to do sweet potatoes. I cook sweet potatoes constantly. I've got dogs. I mix it in with their food. It's good for you. Sweet potatoes are great. So they're super easy using the microwave and the Cuchina Safe Cover and Cook. Now this is a plate cover that I designed. As you can see, all that nice moisture in the steam. This moisture is what cooks the potatoes more efficiently. So I put 2 potatoes, sweet potatoes. I slice them, put a little bit of slice on them, or pierce them, and then I put 2 on a plate. You can do 2 to 3. I put them in the microwave for 10 minutes. Now, this is what you get. You're going to have sweet potatoes that are perfectly done, and right here where this little wave is, that's the steaming mechanism, because that's where the steam is released while the food is being cooked. Let me make sure we don't have any problems in the microwave. Okay, so this is the cover and cook. This is the cover and cook. It's a plate cover. You flip it over, and guess what? I'm going to be doing my pumpkin pie for the holidays using this as a plate or a dish, a baking dish. You can use in the oven up to 425 degrees. So this is a versatile 2-in-1 product. Plate cover and flip it over. It's a baking dish. So the other thing is, let me check on this. Things that are cooked in glass, in the microwave, even if they're cooked with plastic, they do get hot. So I invented the mini oven mitts. These I use all the time in the microwave, but you can use them other times. You can do, they're great for taking small trays out of your oven, or if you have a hot handle on something, these are perfect, or an Instapot, they're great. You've got the bigger section up here, a small section here, top fingers go there, thumb goes there, and you've got this little, like a slipper for your hand. It's palm coverage. Not up here, just here. And these are patented. It's a special textured neoprene right here with cotton on this side. These are a set of 3. You get the mini mitts, and you get this nice hot pad or pouch right here that they can go into. You can store them maybe on a hook or on your refrigerator on a hook or whatever. I have the 2 sizes on my Amazon site. I've got the turquoise, and I've got the black and the white polka dot. Both polka dot, they're great gifts. These are also under $20 gifts, and they're perfect gifts for the holidays. So let's check out. Okay, we've got 5 minutes that we I cooked the cranberries and the orange juice and the sugar. Now, I'm going to use my oven mitts because this glass is going to be hot. It's been in the microwave for 5 minutes, and we're cooking cranberries. So I'm going to bring it out, I'm going to stir it up, then I'm going to put it back into the microwave on high, and I'm going to do 2 minutes. And I'm just going to show you. So take a look at the steam that has basically been cooking the food. This is cooking the cranberries. So I'm going to hold that. I'm going to stir the cranberries and the sugar and the orange juice. And it smells so good. My dogs have actually come in to kind of say, what's going on in here, Mom? All right. So I'm going to put this back. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now, make sure when you're doing this that you check your microwave. You know, if it's 1 minute, check it 2 minutes, just to make sure you don't have an overflow, because what you're going to do is you're going to cook it for 2 minutes, turn the microwave off, and then I like to let this sit in the microwave for about 3 minutes, because that actually continues the cooking, steaming process. So let's put this back for 2 minutes. All right, and then after that, well, I'll check it at that 2 minute mark. I'm going to open it up, see how it is, let it sit in there for another 3 minutes, and at that point then I can take it out. I can put it into, you know, a couple of bowls or a nice bigger bowl, put it in the refrigerator for overnight, and you know what, it's a great snack, or it's just a wonderful addition to your holiday dinner. All right, so this is the cranberry orange sauce. It's 12 ounces of fresh cranberries. It's 1 cup of sugar. It's a half of a cup of orange juice, a teaspoon of grated orange rind, and as an option, if you want, after this is cooked, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Grand Marnier, stir it up, put it into the refrigerator. So let me go back and tell you about my Cuchina Safe lid. I invented this because I was very concerned about using plastics in the microwave. They're toxic, and when they melt, those toxins can leach onto your food. So I was looking for, my dogs are making a fuss right here. I was looking for something to replace the plastics, and I couldn't find, I found all these glass bowls, porcelain, but I could not find a glass vented lid. So I had to invent one. As a designer, I invented one. They're patented, and they come in 2 sizes. They come in the 8-inch, which is sold just like this on Amazon, under $20 gift for one. Or you can get the 8-inch and the 9-inch. The 9-inch is actually in the microwave right now, so you're going to get an 8-inch and a 9-inch as a set. That's the Cuchina Safe lid. These are to cover bowls. Bowls, pots on the stove top, large bowl, small bowl. You want to do your cereal, you want to do your oatmeal. Okay, let's take a look at this. All right, so we're looking pretty good. We didn't overflow. So I'm going to leave this in the microwave for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to bring it out and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and hopefully you can go on my website, Cuchina Safe, and check out my recipes that you can download, or this recipe is actually on what you're looking at right now. I posted the recipe there, so you can also look at that. So this is the 8-inch Cuchina Safe lid. It's vented right here. They're made out of borosilicate glass. That is the glass that vintage cookware was made of. So I've got my grandmother's, I got my mother's cookware, and this is the borosilicate cookware, very sturdy glass. And I've got the 8-inch lid. I've got the set, the 8 and the 9, which is a combo, and I've got the cover and cook, which is the plate cover, and you flip it over, and it's a 2-quart baking dish that you can put in the oven up to 425 degrees. And I will be making my crustless apple pie. I mean, not apple pie, but pumpkin pie for the holidays. And that recipe is also on cuchinasafe.com. Now, as you can see, these are really hot. Hot potato. I cook these in the microwave for 10 minutes. They're perfect. They're soft, and they're perfectly done. They're nice and moist. The Cuchina Safe lid and cover and cook do not dry out your food, so you don't have to worry about, microwaving your food and it gets all dry. No, these keep your food moist because they are steamers. So at this point, I'm going to take the cranberry orange juice sauce out of the microwave because my dog Wilson is wanting something to eat right now. I don't know, he seems to like the smell of this. So here's what it looks like right here. All right. So as you can see, I'm going to take this off. And you know what? This is hot, so I'm going to be very careful here. So look at all that moisture and the steam, if you can see the steam. This is the steam that helped to cook the cranberries. All right, I'm going to put this on my stove top. And that is the 9-inch. By the way, this is hot. That's why I like to use my mini mitts, but I'm going to show you. A lot of these cranberries have burst open or popped, and that's what you want. Stir this up, and it's going to go back into the refrigerator for, you know, overnight. I mean, you could probably put it in there for about 3 hours to set, but I suggest if you want that nice gelled cranberry orange sauce that you love at the holidays, leave it in there overnight, cover it, and you're good to go. And let me tell you, this stuff is so good. You're gonna love it. So listen, thank you for joining me. I'm Susan Castriota. I'm the creator of the Cuchina Safe glass cookware and the oven mitts. And I also have lots of my own recipes on cuchinasafe.com, so check those out. So thank you so much for joining me, and see you the next time. Thanks.